Hey guys, it's Jrod. Welcome back to Jrod's Garage. I apologize for the delay. Life's been busy here in Oklahoma. Right here in the 405, we've got a lot of stuff going on. I've got a lot of new projects going on that you guys have not seen. Let me show you a few of them. So this one up here is a 95 VR-4 Spyder. For those that know anything about the 3000 GT platform, they only made the Spyder from 95 and 96. It's actually a customer's car. It was shipped here from Florida. We're doing a complete 500 wheel horsepower turnkey build on that. So you're definitely going to be seeing that on the channel very, very soon. This is my 30th anniversary 99 W6 Trans Am. It's kind of dusty, it's been sitting here. This car is really special to me. I always wanted a Trans Am, and this car just kind of fell in my lap, and it just happened to be. We've posted this car a few times on the channel, but nothing like it is now. Currently, it's got a quick performance 9-inch McLeod twin disc, Nitrous Express, 200 horsepower nitrous with a Bell's Performance camshaft kit in it. Car makes about 360, 380 on motor, and makes over 650 wheel through a 6-speed with a 200 shot. This car, we're gonna try to get in the high 9s, low 10s on spray. I don't know if the stock motor will hold it, but there's only one way to find out. The car behind this is a car that I've had a while. I don't think we've actually ever uploaded this car. I bought this car with fire damaged and brought it back to life. It is a 94 RTTT Stealth, twin turbo, all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering. It does have red interior, which makes it extremely rare. And I added the 96 RT turbo spoiler, which for those that know these cars, know there's only 57 turbo stealths built in 96. This is an OEM spoiler, pretty rare. As I did add the 96 RT turbo wheels. So you could call it a 96 RT turbo clone. Damn cat must have gotten here, there's paw prints on it. Car above me, a lot of people know I have it. Haven't really ever posted it on the channel. It is a one of 282 ever built 99 VR-4, true 99 car. That car is really special to me. It was my dream car growing up. About 7-8 years ago, I was able to acquire that car. It looks 100% as it did the day it rolled off the showroom floor with even stock window tint. Car makes over 500 wheel horsepower. Very simple setup. I'll go a little more in depth in the video. This is a new car I just acquired. Always wanted an Evo. I graduated high school in 2003. So at the time, the 99 VR-4 and the 03 Evo were my dream cars. Luckily, I've been able to acquire this car. This car is really cool. It's a built motor, rod piston deal, BC cams, BC valve train, it's clutch, E85, FP HTA 71. It's on like 38 pounds of boost right now. Makes about 450 to 500 wheel on that little turbo. Is an absolute riot to drive. The car above me is my OG car. I don't think I've actually ever posted anything about it on the channel. As you can see, it's been sitting in the same spot for quite a while. I've owned that car since 2005. At one time, it made over 1,000 wheel horsepower with twin 5857 Precisions. I sold the car for a short while. The guy blew it up and I acquired it back. Literally, I wish I could show you, but inside the car is full of brand new parts. Brand new Greddy intercooler kit, brand new BC billet crank stroker, BC rods, BC pistons, cams, retainers, springs. This car, hopefully by this time next year, will be making north of 1,000 horsepower again and be reliable. Car below me, we've posted a little bit about this. I know I get messaged a lot on my social media accounts, what's going on with this car. This is what's going on with it. It's still in immaculate shape. Car started life off, had a rough start when we got it, had a bullet hole and rust. We completely restored this car. The cool thing is, if you guys watch the Real Street YouTube channel with Jay, we flew down a couple months ago and built the motor for it. If you want to follow me, I'll show you. So this is the motor we built with Jay down at Real Street. It is a MazWorks machined BC billet crank, BC rods, Manley pistons, VVTi head, MazWorks CNC cylinder head. This is essentially an RS 1600 with VVTi head. This coupled with the ETS turbo manifold, with the new next gen Precisions, the ETS exhaust, ETS intercooler, basically the same pedigree of parts that we run in YODA. That car will get, but it'll be at a full street setup. I've already got, as you can see over here, I got parts everywhere. I've got an 8.8 for it. There's an ATF stage 5 transmission over there with converter as well. 300 HM axles. The car, I want the car to go 850s and full street trim. I know it'll probably go faster if we push it, so we'll see what happens. So hopefully now that we're gonna be starting the YouTube journey again, we're gonna start putting all this content out. I know you guys really are loving the 3000 GT stuff. because that's where it all started for me. So hopefully with all these 3S platforms, with everything else intertwined, since I've also picked up a 94 300ZX twin turbo, a Ford Lightning, an 02 SS 35th anniversary car, a 2008 STI Hatch that's currently at Misfire Motorsports, getting a BC billet crank, blah, blah, blah. That car's gonna make 800 to 1,000, as well as some old school 90s motorcycles. So I'm a kid of the 90s. I've been in a position in life where I've been able to acquire some of my dream cars, and I'm gonna share those with you guys. And I worked really hard in my life to get where I'm at. I don't want this to come off as me bragging, but I want you guys to enjoy my cars through my channel. I enjoy cars. I have no brand loyalty. I like them all. And we're here to show you guys what we can do and show the world what my abilities to work on cars and things like that can do. I will never say I'm the best mechanic or best tuner, because I'm definitely not, but I know my way around a car, and I know 3000 GTs. So we're gonna do a lot of 3000 GT content and see where it takes us.